Hey, boot camper, and hey, friend. Welcome back to Mission Fear. We've been learning how to notice fear and calm our body alarms. Now it's time to grow bravery, and the best way to do that is with something called the fear ladder. Imagine a ladder with easy steps at the bottom and harder steps at the top. Every time you face a fear, you don't have to jump to the top right away. You can climb one step at a time. Let's try some examples. If sleeping without a nightlight feels scary, step 1 might be keeping the light on. Step 2 could be using a smaller lamp, and step 3 might be the nightlight only. If talking in class feels scary, step 1 might be answering with a group. Step 2 could be sharing one short answer, and step 3 might be giving a full sentence on your own. Each step you climb teaches your brain, I can do this even if fear is riding along. Here's your mini mission. Draw your own fear ladder with 3 steps: easy, medium, and hard. Pick one step to practice this week and celebrate it by adding a note or stone to your Bravery Jar. Like this video if you're climbing your fear ladder, and subscribe so you don't miss Part 6, Safe Plans and Smart Choices. You're building courage one step at a time, friend.